Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss that our new chapter, that is subtraction up to 20. Okay. So subtraction means minus. Yes. First we go through the first one point, that is warm up. See here. Fill in the boxes. Yes. First one. See here picture. 4 oranges on the plate. How many oranges are there? Here 4 oranges. So next, see here second one picture. Azhar eats 1 orange. Azhar eats here 1 orange. Yes, totally 4 oranges are there. In that 1 orange Azhar eats. So how many oranges are left on the plate here? Just see. Count. 1, 2, 3. How many oranges are left here? Only 3. So we have to write oranges left on the plate is 3. Oranges left on the plate is 3. So write here number 3. Okay. Just see first one here. One plate is there and on that plate 4 oranges are there. And in that 4 oranges, Azhar eat 1 orange. So on that plate only 3 oranges remains, means left. So you have to write oranges left on the plate is 3. So next, see here T-shirts are there. Okay, here one shop is there and in that shop some T-shirts are there. So just count how many T-shirts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 T-shirts are there. And Manjit buys 1 T-shirt. Manjit buys here 1 T-shirt. So in that shop, how many T-shirts are left? So count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many T-shirts are left here? How much? 6. So write here 6. Okay, 7 T-shirts are there and in that one Manjit T-shirts buys 1 T-shirts here and so 6 T-shirts are left in the shop. Yes. Next one point is introduction to subtraction. Next one point is what? Introduction to subtraction. Subtraction means what? Subtraction means to take away. Subtraction means to take away. When we take away a certain number from a given number. We take away from a certain number from a given number. The number that is left is the difference between the two numbers. The symbol used for subtraction is here. This is the symbol used for subtraction. And how to read that this symbol? Minus. We read this symbol as minus. How to read? Minus. Yes. Just see here. Manjit bought 6 ice cream cones. Manjit bought 6 ice cream cones. Just see 6 ice cream cones are there or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Manjit bought 6 ice cream cones. And Manjit ate 2 ice cream cones. How many ice creams ate Manjit here? 2 ice creams. So see here 1, 2. So Manjit ate 2 ice creams. Yes. So Manjit is left with 4 ice cream cones. How many ice cream cones left here now? Only 4. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 6 ice creams are there and in that 6 ice cream Manjit ate 2 ice creams. So how many ice creams are left here? 4 ice creams are left. Yes. Thus if we take 2 if we take away 2 from 6, we get 4. Means in 6 ice cream, we are taken 2 ice creams. So left here 4 ice creams. Yes, the above statement can be written as, how to write this statement? 6 ice creams are there totally. Minus means you are already eaten. Manjit ate 2 ice creams. So minus put here symbol. So next write here number 2. 6 minus 2. That is equal to 4. Why written 4? Means in 6 ice creams, 2 ice creams ate. So remaining ice creams you have to write here answer. So here how many ice creams are left? 4. So you have to write here answer 4. Yes. Subtraction means to take away, and this is the symbol of subtraction, and how to read this symbol as minus. Okay. Understood? Yes. So next one point is, see here. Now take away and write the answers. Yes. See here. How many balloons are there? Totally how many balloons are there? First count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write in this circle 7 balloons are there. So 2 balloons are blasted here. Yes, means lost here. Just see 1, 2 balloons. So 7 minus 2. We lost here 2 balloons. Okay. So see how many balloons are left here. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many balloons are left? 5. So write here 5. That is 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Means totally 7 balloons are there. And in that 7 balloons, 2 balloons are lost here, means blasted here. So how many balloons are left here? 5 balloons are left. See here. In this second one picture, birds are there. So how many birds are there? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many birds are there? 6 birds. So you have to write here 6. Okay. In that circle you have to write 6. And these all birds are seated here. Okay. And next one picture you have to see 2 birds are flying. 1, 2. So you have to write in this circle 2 because 2 birds are flying. So in 6 birds, 2 birds are flying. So how many birds are now seated in this third one picture? Just see 1, 2, 3, 4. How many birds are seated? 4 birds. So you have to write here 4. That is 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So next, subtraction by crossing out. Subtraction by crossing out. First one point, see here. You can also cross out the subtract. Look at the example given below. See here, example 8 minus 3 is there. Okay. Example 8 minus 3 is there. So just see 8 lollipops are there. Yes. Just see count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First one number is here 8. So here 8 lollipops are there. Minus 3 is there. So next number is minus 3. So you have to cross out 3 lollipops because minus 3 is there. So already see here 1, 2, 3. These 3 lollipops crossed here. Okay. So see now how many lollipops are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lollipops are left here? 5 lollipops. Thus, we are left with 5 rattles. Rattles. Yes, I told you lollipops. Okay. Now try this. Here, 8 cakes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 minus 5 is there. Just see this. 8 minus 5. So cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many cakes are left here? 1, 2, 3. So only 3. So 8 minus 5 is how much? 3. So write here 3. Next one picture. See here leaves are there. So how many leaves are there? Just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just see already here written 6. Minus 4. Minus 4 means you have to cross out 4 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many leaves are left here? 1, 2. So write here 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Yes, understood? This is about subtraction. Okay, till today I will stop here only, and the remaining part I will continue in the next class. Okay, bye. Take care.